Hello everyone, and today we will discuss about Tyndall effect. So welcome back to my channel, and here we go. So I have got four types of mixture for this experiment. So I got water. Yes, I have got milk plus water, which is a colloid. I have got sugar solution, which is a solution, and I have got flow plus water, which is the suspension. So let's start the activity. Okay, so we will turn off the light for this to for better observation. Okay, now we will need a small torch for this activity. I have got a small torch for this. Yes, now start with water. Yes, so I passed the light through water. I can see only very small rays. Yes, it's very small that it's hard to see. Yes, only very small rays, but the light is getting out. Yes, from the milk plus water. Yes, you can see light is getting scattered everywhere. Yes, and we can see the rays, small rays from here. Now from sugar solution, we can't see the rays, but here we can observe the lights going out. And here from this suspension of flour plus water, here you can see light is scattering in good in a very good way. Yes, we can see the whole glass glowing like. Okay, so we can do it by one more way. Okay, for that I'll take another torch. Yes, this large one, and keep the torch here. Yes, can you see here? The light is getting scattered, and here you can't see the light, but it's passing here, and this also is getting lit. Can you see this part? Yes, from here light is getting scattered, and from the water no, we can't see the ray, but here you can see the light. Means light is getting passed from the water solution to here. Yes, so from this experiment we can conclude that Tyndall effect is observed in suspensions and collision. So thank you.